Hi everybody. I'm recording my audio live today, which I never do, and I probably shouldn't be doing because I'm still like hacking up a lung on the regular, but I got an order in from, oh, there we go. I got an order in from Craft Outlet. Did not realize they were in Baton Rouge. I ordered this on Sunday night. It came Tuesday. What time is it? It's about 2. It's 2:30. It came about 2. So that was super quick, and I do consider myself extremely spoiled because they're in Baton Rouge, and Deco Exchange is in the same town that I live in, outside of New Orleans. They're literally within walking distance, and in the next town over is a giant floral supply wholesaler. So, yeah, but I ordered from Craft Outlet because they had everything that I wanted. And they have that free shipping at, I think it's $69. I spent like, if free shipping was $69, I spent $69.15. That's what it was. It was so, I was like, okay, that's it, I'm done. But yeah. I know what's in here, kinda, even though I just ordered it, but it's one of those things where I'm trying to get to the minimum order there for free shipping, and I just kind of started putting stuff in there that I thought I might need. Stuff for, I think there's actually Halloween in here, so that's how far ahead I was thinking, but I just like to make crap, y'all know how I do, so let's see. Ugh. Wow, already I'm just like, wow. Alright, how am I gonna do this? Here's my invoice. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rolls of mesh, and 1, 2, 3 things of ribbon? 4, maybe? Yeah, I see 4 already, so. Alright. Let me go through this. I don't know how I'm going to do this, because, I don't have any room anywhere. So I'm going to push this up some. Oh my goodness! Oh, I'm so excited already, I don't know why. I guess because I can't go and buy this stuff, so I have to order it. Okay, so this is the velvet ribbon. It's 2.5 inches and it's a 10-yard roll. Well, you guys want to know prices? Maybe, huh? $4.75. Oh my god. You know how much ribbon you get at Walmart for $4.75? And I'm not going to open up all these, but this one, because it's velvet. Velvet's one of my favorite, ever. My favorite texture. Like, it just is. And I know this is not real velvet. It's probably... Oh no, my knife just fell in the glue. Okay, so that's that. Let me see. Oh, that's pretty. I love this shade of green too. I think this is Halloween. This is fall. This is Christmas. And look how much is in there. Wow, 10 yards of ribbon. I can never find 10 yards of ribbon anywhere around here, even in craft stores. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. What else? These two are the same, because they were on clearance, maybe? I know my address is probably shown. I don't care if y'all know where I live. Vertical stripe, black and orange. $3.15 for both of these are 10 yards. Really great ribbon. Who came? That's such an inventive name for your company. But yeah, this is burlap too. Oh, I love that. Look at that already. That's already a wreath right there. Love it. And I don't remember what the next one is. I think it's orange. Yeah. Oh, no, I don't like that. I don't like that. I thought it was just, I didn't think it was so metallic. But that's fine. Let me see how it feels. Yeah, it's a, I think it's supposed to be like a faux Dupioni. Yeah, metallic Dupioni. ribbon, $4.35. Okay, so there's my completed both of the, well, not the orange, and that's obviously Halloween, but like these two, that's fall. Yeah, so that's, I said I'm not going to open all of them, and I opened up all of them pretty much. Okay, so I'm going to put these over here. My back is killing me already. Just in case y'all are crazy, let me fold this down. I would prefer you had my actual home address than my email address. Alright. This is just navy blue. $3.25 for this one. I got it because it's the Pantone color of the year. So, yeah. Take that out of there. This is the metallic Halloween ombre, $5.50. This one, I think I got this one because it was on sale. But it's purple, green, and orange. That's cool. I love Halloween. Let's see, this is the rose gold, I think. Metallic rose gold, $4.75. Y'all, that is cheap. This is, I think this is the expensive one. Ombre burlap mesh. Ombre burlap mesh. $7.75. So this is like a premium roll here. But, I mean, you can also just look at it and see how thick it is. So, that's cool. Black and white. $4.75. I don't think this is any metallic in it, which that's fine. Wow, they really cram these in here. Like, I mean, I know it doesn't matter because they're all plastic, but good use of the shipping box. This is the red, white, and blue thin stripes, $5.50 for like a patriotic wreath. This is... Why is this one so big? Doesn't that look much bigger than the... Like, look at this one compared to this one. Natural red, white, blue. $6.50. Cool. And then these are two of the same. This is the natural, which y'all know how much I love. Just the craft color, natural, whatever. These were $4.25 and these were $4.25. This is a natural with the white stripe, white thin stripe. So yeah, everything was $70.49. $70.40. Total was $73.53. It shipped for free. Got here extremely fast. So I know, like, if I need to make something on Tuesday, I have to order by. And I'm sure, like, if I had ordered Monday morning, it probably still would have got here today because they sent it out Monday morning. So yeah, I'm very impressed with that. I want to open one of these. Like, I paid $7 for this one, so I want to see what this one feels like. Because y'all know I am used to some crappy mesh. And I can open this one because I know I'm going to be using this one for Easter. Oh, it's so pretty. Alright, I want to compare this one to... What was the cheapest one? Like one of just this blue one. I'm so upset because I had one that was like natural with... Oof. It was natural with a metallic blue stripe going through it, and oh yeah, see? Compare these two here. Just run my hand through. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, this is like what I would use as like the base of something. Yeah, it was, you know, it was like this, except instead of the white, it had metallic blue, and I put it back for whatever reason. I don't know why. I should have gotten it because I'm super into the navy. So yeah, I'm excited about this one and this one because I'm not very patriotic, but I want to make like Patriot. I want to make everything. Like, I'm feeling so inspired lately since I'm alive. I like this one. This one feels really nice. I think this white is like cotton. This one's super cool. This one, I know, I thought I wasn't gonna open it, but I want to open it, y'all. Oh yeah, that's very... Look at that, that's pretty. This is like the... My crappy lights are like the perfect lights for this. I like that. So yeah. Rose gold. Are these gonna go together? Yeah, pretty much. And y'all know I love black and white stripes, so I'm gonna have fun with that. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but really like it. These, I mean, that's just, like, I mean, I'm gonna use probably both of those rolls by the time Halloween's over. I love this. How much is this one again? $4.75? I want to order this in every color they have. Of course, to afford all this, the only reason I could is because I didn't eat most of last month from being sick. So I had a couple of extra bucks laying around. I guess I like that, I don't know. But yeah, so Craft Outlet, if you're, you know, looking for stuff, I'm impressed so far. I mean, I've used the crappiest of crappy mesh to make decent looking wreaths, so I mean, and this is like the thinnest one that's in here, and it's still really nice, so and it bunches up nice. I'm excited to use this stuff to like actually have some nice quality. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. I mean, super easy to fix. I don't even. What's wrong with you with all of your whining? What's wrong? Oh, the poor baby. You're a sweet baby boy. So, alright, let me go deal with my dog because he's whining because I'm not paying enough attention to him, clearly, after spending all day and night and, you know, all my free time with... You're bad. Alright, guys, let me know if you like hauls, unboxings. I don't do a lot of hauling, and I do even less unboxing, but, let me know, and if I order something else, I will be sure to film it for you. So, thanks, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.